For 2024, the Q5, as well as the rest of Audi's SUVs, features Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC) and Adaptive Cruise Assist (ACA) as standard. The 2024 Audi Q5 starts at $45,795 and goes up to $60,895. The base trim level comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder, but there's also a plug-in hybrid powertrain offered as well as a slick-styled Q5 Sportback. The Q5 comes in 40, 45, and 55 plug-in hybrid versions. The standard setup is the 2024 Q5 40's 201 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission and standard quattro all-wheel drive. Both are smooth and quiet, though the base engine in the 40 is adequate. The 45's additional 61 horsepower makes a tangible difference and inserts more joie de vivre in your otherwise dull commute.